focus definition, focus in a sentence, focus pronunciation, focus meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of focus. Focus. Fo-cus. Focus. Focus as a verb means to give your full attention to what you are doing or to what is happening, or to concentrate on. Common usages in academic writing: to focus your attention, to focus a device, to focus light, to focus on. Try to focus. Example sentences: focus, verb. The human eye has a lens to focus light on the retina. Example sentence number 2, the participants were asked to focus their attention on the red dot in the middle of the screen. Please write a sentence using focus in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know focus is pronunciation, focus is meaning, and how to use focus in a sentence. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.